geleden was een beetje zaken programma.
Our job as rescuers is actually second in line. So there are also smaller boats on the courses that follow the course and that are in contact with the starting boats. We are between the courses and we are spread between the courses, and the shore will direct us and will say there is an intervention needed over there, go and check over there. And so we stay close, but we don't follow the race closely and we don't follow the boats.
It seems like an easy day for the rescue team. Is it an easy day, this day?
It is relatively quiet at the moment, that is correct. But that doesn't mean we're not doing anything. We're still watching the boats, also following them in and out of the harbor to make sure that everybody arrives where they have to go. So we still stay put, whether there is sailing or not.
Yesterday was a whole completely different day with the weather. Did you have a lot of interferences?
It was pretty heavy indeed. It doesn't mean that we had to intervene a lot, but we definitely had to guard a lot and follow boats that were falling over, making sure that we do see everybody. Our job, our primary job, is making sure that the sailors themselves are safe. So if we see that two heads are above water and they're working on the boat, then already we can relax, but we definitely go and check.
But is it more fun to be a rescue team when it's, well, hard conditions?
Personally, I would say yes. I don't know if everybody else would agree. I would say yes. A whole day without intervention is okay. Yeah, we still did our job, but nothing serious.
What do you expect for the rest of the week? Is the weather going to stay, well, more or less like this or more like yesterday?
The forecast says that tomorrow is going to be heavier than yesterday. So we're already making our chest wet, as the expression goes.